What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got an interesting one today. We've got an old late 80s Yamaha Moto4 225. The starter Sprag needed to be put back together, so I figured I'd make a video and show you guys exactly how these things work. There's 3 bolts holding on the back of the flywheel. The 3 Sprag rollers are in that little cover. There's one right there. This flywheel is missing 2 of them, so we've got to put 2 back in, so we'll show you the different components that are required. That little dimple is one of them. Need a long spring and the little detent. The spring and the detent go together and they go in the hole. You gotta squeeze the spring in there once you get it all in the hole, and then you can pop the little ball in place. As you can see, the spring should freely go all the way in. If you got nails, you can hold the spring in place while you drop the ball in. If not, use a little flathead or something that you can get in there so that you can drop that ball in place. The detent then holds the ball in and it stays springy and slides back and forth. Do that to all 3 sides. Once you've got all the balls in place, you want to make sure that all of them move freely, slide back and forth. Maybe put a little dab of oil in there. And you flip the flywheel over and you drop it onto the cover. You line up the 3 screw holes. By looking through the holes, you can find the holes to go all the way through. Flip the stator back over, put screws in it, crank the screws down. Make sure everything's all good and tight before you go and put it all back on the quad. Now when you go to put it back on the quad, you're going to want to turn around and make sure that the flats on those rollers are in. The flywheel has a keyway cut on it. Put the keyway up. You should have 2 rollers down, 1 roller up, and it should slide on there with a little bit of wiggling. You're going to have to work it over the shaft, over the shoulder, and have it in place. Make sure the keyway stays in place also. Once it's all together, you put your little spacer in there, put the flywheel cover back on, button it all up, and you're good to go. Turn around, we got the end of this video coming up where she's running, purring like a kitten. Really surprised this old motor ran as well as it did. When you get these things from people and they've been abused and neglected as long as they have been, it really surprises you that they run, and they run really well. High, low, and reverse on this quad. Really neat.